Hello guys, this is Shiv, and today I will show you how can you resolve the conflict when you pull any project from the GitHub. Okay guys, so here scenario is that there are two developer 1 and developer 2. Okay, so both developer are working in a same project. So sometime developer 1 can make some changes uh, in a file in the same line number. Okay, and at the same time developer 2 can make the same means as per his logic he can make another change in the same line in the same file. So these two changes make conflict when developer 1 or developer 2 will update the repository in the GitHub. So to update their repository in the GitHub, first developer 1 or developer 2 need to pull the project, then they will push the project in the GitHub. So during the pull, developer 1 or developer 2 may get the conflict in the file. So first developer 1 or developer 2 need to resolve the conflict, then they will update the remote repository. Okay, so there are two ways to resolve this conflict. First, uh, you will take the final changes from the remote repository and you will ignore your local changes. This is the first one. Second, you will merge. Suppose that developer 1 made some changes in a file and developer 2 make another changes in the same file and in the same line. So you can merge both the changes and both changes will reflect in the file. So one by one I will show you how can you do that. Okay, so this is developer 1. Okay, here there is a developer 1. So there is a one file.c. So I will show you what is in the file.c. So here you can see that some piece of code is there. This is the C code. Okay guys, so suppose that developer 1 put some lines here. Printf hello world 1 1. Okay, so developer 1 made the changes in the file, this hello world 1, and this is the developer 2. So here in developer 2 there is no changes. Okay, so first developer 1 will update the git remote file. Okay, so let developer 1 upload the files in the repository. Change 1. Okay, git push u origin main. Git status. So remote file is updated successfully. Okay guys, so let me show you cat file. So these are the final changes. Hello world 1. Now developer 2 has started his own work, so he will add some piece of code. Hello world 2. Okay, developer 1 made the changes, means he added the line hello world 1 and developer 2 added hello world 2. Okay, now developer 2 will also update the remote file in the git. So he will write git add git commit -m change 2. Okay, nice. So now git push u origin main. So let's see. So guys, here I will write my username. So here it is complaining that first git pull before pushing. So I will write git pull. Okay, so it is showing some conflict. Automatic merge failed, fix conflict and then commit the result. Okay, so where I got the conflict, merge conflict in file .c. so this is the file where I'm getting the conflict. Or there is another command also, git status. It will also show you the conflict file .c. so I will open the file. Okay, file.c. so here this conflict I am getting. This line developer 2 added and this line developer 1 added. Okay, so I will go back. So first I will show you, I will ignore the my changes, means whatever developer 2 made the changes, I will ignore the my changes and I will take the final as a remote changes, whatever changes has been done in the remote file. Okay, so in this case hello world 2 will be removed. So what command you need to run? You need to write git checkout hours star, means all the files in the project. Okay, okay, and there's all the files. Now git commit -m remote changes. Okay, so here I am getting some error. Okay, I need to run the add command first. So I will write git add all the files, then I will commit. Now if I will see the file, this, so whatever changes were present in the remote file, I got the same file here. You can see by the developer 1 he made the changes, hello world 1, and in the developer 2 side I'm getting the same. So in this case if I will pull the git project, then there should not be any issue. Git pull, right, already up to date. Or I can push also, git push u origin main. Yeah, it's working successfully, no error. Let me check the git status. Yeah, so in this case I have shown you how to take the remote changes as a final changes, and local changes I have ignored. So now I will show you the second scenario. In second scenario we will merge local changes and remote changes. So for this for example developer 1 made again some changes. Printf hello world 2. Okay, so developer 2 made changes in the file hello world 2. In this case, developer 2 will update the remote file git add git commit -m changes to. Okay, okay, git push u origin main. Git status. Yeah, so changes has been made successfully in the remote repository. So I will check my file. So these are the changes which has been done in the remote repository. Okay, so now developer 1 has started his work, so he will also make some changes. He will add the line printf hello world 3. Okay, 2 has been added by the developer 2. Developer 1 has added the hello world 3 in the same line. So now developer 1 will try to update the remote file. So he will also run the command git commit -m changes 3. Okay, git push u origin main su32. So again it is complaining first pull then push. So I will pull the remote repository. Okay, I forgot git pull. So it is again complaining automatic merge failed, fix conflict and then commit. So in this case, whatever changes I made in my file, this I have added means developer 1 added hello world 3 and developer 2 added hello world 2. So I want both the changes, means this line is from the remote and this line is from the local. So in this case you need to open, means after getting this message automatic merge failed, you need to run the file, means what are the files which are conflicting. So here you will see, so here I am getting only one file.c. If there are many files which are in conflict, then you will get the many files here. Okay, so I will open that file and manually I will delete. So conflict start from this symbol. Okay, this symbol less than and head word, and it will end this greater than symbol and some numbers. So you need to remove these lines manually, or you can make some more changes as per your requirement. Okay, so I have removed the conflict symbols from my files. So now my file is clean. I will save and I will again run the command git add git commit -m merge. ठीक, okay, merge files. Now git push u origin में. So now in this case remote file has been updated successfully. So let me check git status. Yeah, it's successfully. So let me check the file. So my changes means local changes. I did hello world 3. I have added this line, this printer, and this is from the remote. So remote repository has been added. Okay, so now developer 1 made the changes till here, hello world 2. So now what developer 2 will do, he will run the git pull. So same changes will reflect here. Yeah, you can see same changes will reflect here, you can see. So by this way you can solve this problem, conflict problem, whenever you will pull the remote git repository. So guys, hope you got the idea. Thank you so much. Bye bye.